take y'all along on the Dodge Challenger journey for today. Today's install, we got the bass shakers. I went on and made these little makeshift templates from some scrap wood I had. This slot right here is for the actual seat blower inside the car. Circulates the air through the seat, keep your butt cool. So while the seat is keeping your butt cool, we're gonna go on and make that ass vibrate. So excuse my French for those PG-13 watchers, you know what I'm saying? And just for people that's just not into cursing. So it is what it is. Won't be too much of it here on this channel, but we're gonna go on and mount these things up. So this one here I can't do anything with yet until I take it into the car. I'm in the car underneath the seat, and basically what I'm looking for, oh yeah, I made this little bracket here too. Take a look at that. That's just a bracket for her iPad mount. We don't want that thing flimsy, but I don't know if you guys can see, but I gotta mount this thing up under the metal of the seat. Thank goodness the bottom portion of the seat is metal. I wish I could spin y'all around so y'all can see what I'm looking at. Yeah, there we go. So these are some of the gadgets that I have to work with up under here. The driver's side was a lot more forgiving than this side, so oh my God, I don't know what I'm gonna do over here, but I'm gonna figure it out. Stay tuned. Next clip. Off subject, little update. The system is doing very good. Speakers are performing well. Everything is legit tight. Sky high. Wire, of course. Got tired of that wimpy stuff, that puny stuff. We don't do the puny bass. Y'all know that. And the shakers are in. All the wires are ran. Everything is to the back for the amp. Real quick. Alright, let's see what we got. I got my cutoff switch for the amps. Knobs are, over there. Y'all seen that. Tactile style butt shaker, subwoofer, whatever you want to call it. Mini bass shaker. Let me just get y'all a quick peek on how I did it. On this side here, sorry about that, y'all, but that's it right there. That Dayton audio joints. I made a cutout ring work perfect. Sheet metal screws right into the bottom of it. And it should hold pretty well with a little bit of double stick. 3M, of course. Basically, it ain't template tape, but it's 3M, double-sided, and it's real sticky. I used to use it all the time for my LED lights. Works very well. So that's that. Everything's zip-tied to the factory room. And we're going to go on and wire this thing up. Oh, yeah, y'all probably saw. I want y'all to stay tuned for this, too. Y'all definitely stay tuned for what I'm going to do with these super tweets. I'm going to give y'all a hint. That's it. That's the only hint I'm giving y'all.
Popping on the chart.
If I hit it 1 time, I'm a piper. If I hit it 2 times, then I like her. If I 3 times, I'm a wifer. It ain't safe for the...
Alright, look. There is no subwoofer action going. No subs on.
Put me and get some money. Put G and get some money. Hit it 1 time, I'm a piper. If I hit it 2 times, then I like her. 3 times, I'm a wifer. It ain't safe for the black or the white girl. It ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe, it ain't safe. Tell your man.
My whole thing is, I know these things are 8 ohms, and they are, where are we at here? Let's see, I don't forget how many watts they are, but they're like 16 to 20 watts or something. Probably not even that, but I don't want to blow them out. But wow, you can really feel the vibrations real good. I'm just wondering if I could turn them up a little higher, since they're 8 ohms, and higher the impedance on the amp, the lower the output of it is. I don't know, but yeah, bass shaker.
Oh yeah! Damn, I'm feeling so trippy.
Oh my God, this bass is cute, sis. I swear it is.